Introducing communications and media. It's useful to look at media theories that explain the role of media in society, and then equally, the role society plays in media. For Assessment 3, I will carry out research that links pandemic panic shopping with the media theory that really stood out to me: moral panics. Amidst the early 2020 pandemic outbreak, across the globe, anxious shoppers were showing up at supermarkets in a frantic frenzy, hastily making their way through the stores, trying to snap up as much bulk supplies as they could. Store shelves were dwindling or left totally empty. Retail workers reported that anxiety was in the eye of the consumer. Food and supply shortages became a major concern. Regardless if it was a perception or a real threat, supplies were strained by a self-fulfilling prophecy. Pandemic panic shopping is an interesting case study to examine, as there is plenty of academic journals, online articles, and public information reviewing the psychology of stockpiling. Justification is provided that this behavior is an extreme response to uncertainty, that lockdowns trigger a complex psychological chain reaction, that feelings of insecurity and anxiety lead to panic buying and hoarding to feel more in control. Moreover, it is understood that there are other people that make calculations based on others' behaviors, and therefore it may seem the most rational response to irrational behavior is to get in first. So, the psychology of human behavior in disaster situations is understood, but limited is the understanding that pandemic panic shopping is linked to media reporting, tweeting, hashtagging, vlogging, and sharing photos of scarcity, all of which increases viewership, spreads the content, and enables the problem to exist and exasperate. I will be careful to explore how this moral panic was leveled by media, and what roles the theory of audiences, representation and interpretation, and the public sphere had in inciting and enabling such sudden and extreme change in consumer behaviour, and how the news coverage fanned the flames.